I'm Afton DeVos, the Consulting Director for the Foundation for Medical Advancement and Breakthroughs, a community-driven opportunity here at BAMF Health. I'm here with CEO Anthony Chang and COO Chad Bassett. Good to see you guys. Glad to be here with you today.
So great to have you here, Afton.
It's great to be here. We're talking a little bit about the foundation, and I just want to start with you, Anthony. Tell us a little bit about how the foundation is an extension of the great work that BAMF Health is already doing.
Yeah, thank you. I'm really glad that you're here to help us share this story and further accelerate our mission. So BAMF Health started actually from a very simple mission. We want to bring the most advanced technology to the patients as soon as possible to help people solving their devastating disease like cancer. And our model is very simple: accessible, affordable, as soon as possible. We believe the life-saving technology should not only belong to the people who have a resource. So every day what we're doing is trying to focus how can we bring this kind of life-saving technology to every single patient who need it, and also with high speed, because cancer won't wait. So to start this kind of foundation is going to make a huge impact to our patients. Not only is it going to improve the access to the patients who need it, but they may not have the financial means to actually accept this kind of receive this kind of treatment, but also further advance the medicine, conduct a lot of clinical trials. I think a majority of people don't know, clinical trial majority of people are doing is actually trying to approve a new drug for use. But after drug got approved, how to use this new drug correctly, how to use the drug with the right dose at the right timing, and combining with other therapies to offer the optimized outcome. That's also very, very interesting and a critical question to answer. But usually those kind of clinical trial, because it's not really get a sponsor, so take a long time to accumulate this kind of knowledge. And BAMF want to use the foundation to change that. We want to use this kind of technology to really conduct a high impact, critical clinical trials, which will really help our patients facilitate process in a high speed. So once we got this kind of answer, we can bring the answer to all the doctors around the globe who is using this kind of drug to serve the patients better. So we can all grow together and offer the patient the best outcomes. And that's actually the goal of these foundations.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So in there, I heard 3 key priorities: patient access, which is really about affordability, right?
Yes.
Accelerating research.
Yes.
And making things happen, but to bedside outcomes today.
Yes.
Helping patients today, Chad.
Yes.
Exactly. And then accelerating education, making sure that providers and our community know that this is available.
Yeah.
Right.
This is a new field that the doctors without this kind of infrastructures and knowledge, all the education they have is from published papers. So we need to facilitate the speed of the accumulation of knowledge. So every doctor has the most advanced protocols and knowledge to offer the best treatment to their patients.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Such important work. I'm a cancer survivor myself and have had 7 members of my immediate family impacted by cancer. So I know what it means to be a grateful patient. Chad, can you tell us a little bit about how patients were the catalyst for the foundation in the first place?
Yeah, Afton, it was really incredible. We have such an amazing, dedicated team to the mission here, many of whom are also impacted by cancer.
Sure.
One day, checking the mail early on, a check came in the mail from a grateful patient. And they really felt the care that they received here and believed in BAMF, believed in the team, and said, we believe you can put this money to good use to help more patients. And from a technical standpoint, we literally didn't have a checking account to put the check into. So we needed to step back and say, how do we do this? And we realized there's so much opportunity here, so much opportunity to accomplish the 3 different pillars that you talked about: the education, the access, and the research. And we were humbled to receive that check and know that we are going to be incredible stewards of those resources to make things happen now for patients who need it the most.
Yeah,
Amazing.
we don't take those kind of things lightly, and it's really heartwarming when we receive the first check, and then after that we have more patients doing the same thing, and so that's why we put a lot of resource in to think about what's the best use for this kind of the money from the good heart patients, and then we're committed to try to use this money to create the biggest impact, and that's exactly why we have this foundation over here.
Amazing. Well, that's why I'm here. I'm super grateful to be a part. Thanks for joining us to tell us a little bit more about the Foundation for Medical Advancement and Breakthroughs. And like we said, this is a community-powered movement. And so if you care about leading-edge healthcare and you believe it should be available for everyone, join us.
Join us. This is going to impact the whole world.